Well, here we are again. Another special mic. Very rare mic, actually. This mic, one of the first RCA juniors to come out. So there's a few of them. There is one that precedes this one, which is the just named the RCA Junior or the 74. So what they did was they came out with these ones later in the mid-30s. 1935, they came out with that 74 Junior. It was designed to be more of a consumer grade of the larger 44. This one here was an upgrade from that 74 Junior. This is called the 74A. 1936 only ran for 1 year. They made them for 1 year. And 1937 they came out with the 74B, which is that smaller one right there. That's your 74B. And they ran with that one until, around the 60s, I think. So quite a long time. But this one was only in circulation for a year. So pretty special, and I just absolutely love the patina that comes with these things. I've seen a couple of them out there, and they all have this goldish black patina. And when I got this in for a major repair, I disassembled the whole entire thing. It needed to be cleaned, resoldered, and re-ribboned, of course. But the one thing that I didn't want to fix on it was this grill. I just absolutely love it, just like the way it is. It's beautiful. These things sound great. Not a whole lot of top end, but so warm sounding. Really are. Just a great sounding mic. This also belongs to Currie Studio, Rob Currie. Actually, I met him because of this mic. I went in the store, the Currie Brothers, the Currie Music store there in Gravenhurst, Ontario, and was talking to Andrew there. Andrew has been somebody I've known for over 20 years through music and sound. And, we never became close or anything, but I knew of him. He knew of me, and I popped in and said hello and started talking about ribbon mics and the work that I've been doing with restoring these things and modifications. And he said, "Oh, you need to talk to my brother." So Rob came out and instant buddies. I took this thing home and they didn't even know me. I think Rob knew me for not even 20 minutes, and I had it in my truck taking it home. So instant trust there, good friendship. So he's been borrowing my mics. I've been taking them there. I think he's probably had at least 20 of them by now. Different modifications, restorations, things like that, just for him to try out, get back to me. Let me know what you think. Yeah, it's been good relationship. So anyway, I got this thing and revamped it for him. So what was happening with it was it was thin sounding and it was intermittent as far as passing audio. A couple of people had looked at it and couldn't really figure out what was going on. So anyways, it needed to be completely rebuilt. That was the solution, was to take it apart, clean everything. Since I had to take it apart, the ribbon that was in it was actually quite good, but I had to replace that as well. As you can hear, man, you got a nice big fat tone out of it and lots of output. So problem solved. There you go. Great mic again. I'll turn this thing around for you so you can see the front of it. Talk from the back. But what a great mic. Just love it. I'd love to pick one up for myself. If I can find one, I'd like to have them all, though. That's my problem. I can't afford them all, but, little by little, maybe I can find junkers and rebuild them. That's what I love to do anyways. That's where the passion is. So, great mic. Check out Currie's Music Store up in Gravenhurst if you get a chance to. Great place. Great little studio in there. Rob likes to go for the vintage sound. He likes to record live off the floor. He does some tracking too, but I think his vibe is live off the floor. Have the whole band in there the old way, you know, the way they used to do it. Put up a few mics, let the magic happen in the room. And yeah, he's doing a great job at it. All right, man. That's it. Ciao for now.